I have a new property in Istanbul, MASLAK area beside Vadi Istanbul. We are just like a couple of minutes driving from Vadi Istanbul, the famous, the tremendous shopping mall, the luxurious shopping mall in MASLAK area. What I have here, I have 1 bedroom right away to 3 bedroom properties, and I have very good prices. I can give you a 2 bedroom apartment from this property with 400,000 US dollar, and immediately you can apply to the Turkish citizenship via investment. Every year, according to the price of the property, return on investment will be 7.5%. That is a very good income of the property in Istanbul, Turkey. And moreover, the property will be delivered after 3 months starting from today's date. Means you are buying a little bit eligible price, I mean a low price below the marketing price. The developer has around 100 apartment, 1 bedroom right away to 3 bedrooms. We have very good facilities. It's right here. We have 2,500 square meter, the total square meter of the property, and then a convenient payment plan, a 50% down payment, and installment right away to 12 months, which is 1 year. The title deed is ready for this property, and work paper and everything, the documents is perfect, suitable for Turkish citizenship. It's a good idea to buy such a property that will give you a high return on investment, and you get Turkish citizenship in 1 year, and you lock the property for 3 years, and you double your income in 2.5 years almost. So that is regarding to today's project. Guys, if you have questions about properties in MASLAK area, get in touch with me right now, and I can give you further information about the property itself. Thank you so much, guys, for you watching.